Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Regrade. In this video, I want to explain about the problems. These also related to trigonometric angles and sides, some different problems. I will explain these, how to solve. Now, first one see, in right angle triangle PQR, right angle at Q and PQ is equal to 6 centimeters, RPQ is equal to 60 degrees. Determine the lengths of QR and PR. So, in one right angle PQR, right angle at Q. In that side PQ given and angle also given. Asking other sides asking. Okay, first draw. Consider a right angle triangle. Consider a right angle triangle. Which triangle? P, right angle at Q only, R. So, PQR. Now, PQ given 6. PQ, this side 6 given. Now, next what given? RPQ angle. RPQ means this angle. So, same angle we can say QPR also. Angle QPR or RPQ same. Now, this only given. Now, this angle how much gave? 60 degrees. This. Okay. This only data. Now, generally, if two sides there means in any right angle triangle, the third side we can calculate by using the Pythagoras theorem in right angle triangle only. But here only one side only give. So, Pythagoras theorem is not useful in this case. Other method, by using trigonometric ratios we can find. How means? Now see, consider right angle triangle. Right angle triangle, what? PQR. In this PQR, angle Q is equal to 90 degrees we know. Now, for this angle only you apply some trigonometric ratios. First I am applying tan. Tan 60 because 60 gave, so tan 60, but this is angle P. Now, write the formula for tan. Tan is, what is the formula for tan? Opposite side by hypotenuse. You know that. So, opposite side to angle P by tan is adjacent side to angle P. Now write opposite side to P is what? QR. Now adjacent side to P is what? PQ. Substitute the values. QR value we don't know. Write as it is. PQ value is 6. Write 6. Now this tan 60 degrees is equal to what came? QR by 6. Okay. Now we know tan 60 value from the tables. Already you by hearted also. Tan 60 value what? Root 3. So, instead of tan 60, root 3 value. Root 3 means root 3 by 1 we can write. QR by 6. Now, in if two fractions are equal, then their cross products are also equal. That is the rule. You know, already you know in 9th class, 8th class, so many problems you solved. Equations. Two fractions equal means their cross products are equal. So that's why this cross product is equal to this cross product. First variable cross product you should take. Variable is here. These are numbers. So this product you take. So QR into 1 is QR only. These two means 6 root 3. 6 into root 3, 6 root 3. So QR is equal to 6 root 3. The units are centimeters. Given centimeters only. 6 root 3 cm given. Next, he asked QR, he asked PR also asked. For this triangle PR becomes hypotenuse. How can you calculate? You should take sin or cos because in sin cos formula so hypotenuse is there. So that's why by using sin also or cos also you will get the same answer. I am taking sin. Cos also you can take, but I am taking sin. So from triangle what? PQR only. Now, sin I am taking, sin 60 degrees because that angle only we know. This angle we don't know, that's why don't write. This angle we know. Now, sin 60 degrees. Sin formula is what? Opposite side to which angle? P by hypotenuse. So, opposite side to P is QR. Hypotenuse is PR. Now, QR value we know calculated 6 root 3. by PR value we don't know, that only we should find out. Next, this is sin 60, this value is 6 root 3 by PR. Now we know sin 60 value. What is the sin 60 value? Root 3 by 2 from tables you see. Root 3 by 2 is equal to 6 root 3 by PR. Again two fractions equal. Their cross products also equal. First variable is here. This cross, what we have to find, that product first you write. This we have to calculate. So first write that side only. So number you write first. So root 3 PR is equal to 2 6 are 12 root 3. Now PR you want means 12 root 3. This comes to this side by cancel. Root 3 cancel because it is into. So this is 12. Therefore PR is equal to 12 centimeters. The value 12 centimeters. You can write here 12 cm. What he asked, that we got. Okay, we see next problem. Now next problem same, but see, triangle XYZ, this triangle is XYZ, the right angle is at Y, one side gave, other side also gave, is asking angles, reverse angle is asking angles. So now consider triangle, consider a right angle triangle. The name of this triangle is XYZ. Right angle at Y means first you write Y, next you can write here X, here Y. Sides he gave, YZ is X gave, here Z, X, Y, Z. YZ he gave YZ X, XZ he gave 2X, XZ he gave 2X. Okay, that's it. YXZ this angle, YZX this angle, angles he are asking. He is asking, angles he is asking. Okay. Now, you know, in any right angle triangle, two sides there means by using Pythagoras theorem, we can calculate the third side. That's simple. Now, consider right angled triangle, here XYZ. XYZ, Y is 90 degrees. In this triangle, apply APT means according to Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse is here X, Z square. Hypotenuse square is equal to one side square plus other side square, YZ square. So this is Pythagoras theorem. In this theorem, you substitute the given values, known values. Now XZ we know 2X, right? Square is there, is equal to XY. XY not there, so XY right square plus YZ there X, directly X square. Now expand, 2 square is 4, X square is equal to XY as it is plus X square. You send this X square this side means XY square is equal to 4X square minus X square. So XY square is equal to 4X square minus 1X square is 3X square. But we want only XY. So for this root of, so for 3 root is root 3 only X. For X square root is X. Now root 3X. Here write root 3X. This side is root 3X. Now what is asking? Angles he is asking. So for that 3 sides you know, any values, tan I am taking. Tan is simple. So that's why tan you take. For this and for this angle. For calculating this angle, so for this tan X. See, writing Y angle Y, X, Z also same. So that's why simple I am writing here tan X. So formula is opposite side to angle X. For writing like this, that's why I wrote X. So adjacent side to angle X. Opposite side by adjacent side is the tan formula. This is according to this. For X, opposite side is YZ by, for this adjacent side is XY. Values you know, YZ value you know X, by xy value, no, root 3x, root 3x, x cancel 1 by root 3. But this is tan x, so tan x is equal to 1 by root 3. Tan x is equal to 1 by root 3. We know from trigonometric tables that values for which value of tan, the value is which degrees of tan, the value is 1 by root 3. See, tan 0 is 0, tan 30 is 1 by root 3. See, tan 30 is 1 by root 3. That's why instead of tan 1 by root 3, we can write tan 30 degrees also. This value equal to 30 degrees also. So, identities means what? Wherever 1 by root 3 is there, we want means tan 30 you can write. Tan 30 anywhere there means we can write 1 by root 3. Wherever you want, whenever you want, we can substitute identities. So, like that. So, this value also 1 by root 3, this value also 1 by root 3. These two are same. So, tan x is equal to tan 30 degrees. That means x is equal to 30. X is equal to 30. What is x? What is x? Y, x, z we can write. That is 30 degrees. So, given answer y, x, z 30 degrees. This x only we can write y, x, z. Now, to calculate z angle, apply for that z. Same. Tan z you write. Tan z is equal to opposite side to angle z by adjacent side to angle z you write. Now, for z you calculate now. For z opposite is xy. For z adjacency is yz. So, values xy is root 3x by yz is only x. X cancel root 3. Now, tan z value is root 3. Now, tan z value is root 3 means this is how much degrees of tan, it becomes root 3. See, tan 0 is 0, tan 30 is 1 by root 3, tan 45 is 1, tan 60 is root 3. So, this is equal to tan 60. The tan 60 value is root 3. That's why we can write. Now, both are equal to this one. That's why tan z is equal to tan 60. That's why, therefore, z should be equal to 60 degrees. Z means what? YZX. Y, ZX also you can write, that is 60 degrees. The given answers we got. Like this, we can calculate this type of problems. I hope everyone understood this problem. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and also click on bell icon to notify my videos. If you subscribe and click on the bell icon, you can notify my videos. Okay, which videos I am preparing, all videos you will notify. Okay, thank you. If you like means you subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.